So nalang jud ko'y nakita sa ako ang wall, guys, nga people will judge you no matter what you do. Tanan na lang yun no, natay masulti. Magbinutan ang tao, natay masulti. He's too good to be true. Kung di pod kayo buutan, oh my God, unsa man na siya? Uy, why can't he or she just be pleasant? Diba? So the best thing maybe is to just be happy and do whatever you want. Anyway, people will judge you. Life is too short to be sad. It's easier said than done, we know that, but of course we need to help ourselves. Best thing to do is to do the right thing. Wag gyud tay kapaingnan. May pag mag-makeup na lang ta. Today kay very highlighter no mo jud colors akong sinina, no. So ganahan lang kog kanang something nude or orangey. Maybe this one. Ako mo mat-mat siya gamay. Although sinaw is good, but not the entire face. My God. See, kani usahay no sa mga lipstick ba nga. Ay nako. Muraching na sad. This is my look for today. Until next makeup sesh. Bye guys.